Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel. As you gain experience in the HVAC industry, your responsibilities grow beyond installing or repairing air conditioning systems. Senior technicians are often expected to coordinate teams, read drawings, communicate with clients, manage installation quality, and complete projects on time. This is where HVAC project management becomes essential. In today's video, I'll explain how an HVAC project moves from the initial design stage to final execution. Whether you want to become a site supervisor, project engineer, or project manager, understanding this process will help you build a successful career. Let's begin. What is HVAC project management? HVAC project management is the process of planning, organizing, coordinating, executing, and completing an HVAC project while meeting technical requirements, staying within budget, maintaining quality, and finishing on schedule. A successful project requires coordination between engineers, technicians, suppliers, contractors, consultants, and the client. Good planning and communication are just as important as technical skills. Understanding client requirements. Every successful HVAC project starts with understanding the client's needs. Before selecting equipment or preparing drawings, the project team must determine the building type, occupancy, cooling and heating requirements, indoor air quality expectations, available installation space, energy efficiency goals, and the client's budget. For example, the HVAC requirements for a hospital are very different from those of a shopping mall, hotel, office building, or residential apartment. If the project requirements are not clearly understood at the beginning, expensive design changes may become necessary later. Defining the project scope early helps prevent delays and misunderstandings. Site survey and load calculation. After collecting client requirements, the next step is the site survey. A site survey includes measuring rooms, checking ceiling heights, identifying equipment locations, inspecting electrical capacity, evaluating structural support, and planning duct and piping routes. Once the survey is complete, engineers perform cooling and heating load calculations to determine the required HVAC capacity. Proper load calculation is extremely important. An undersized system cannot maintain comfort, while an oversized system increases installation cost, cycles frequently, reduces efficiency, and may not control humidity effectively. HVAC system design. After the load calculation, engineers begin designing the HVAC system. During this stage, they select suitable equipment such as split ACs, VRF systems, chillers, AHUs, FCUs, package units, cooling towers, pumps, ductwork, and ventilation systems. The design also includes refrigerant piping, chilled water piping, air ducts, electrical power requirements, drain piping, control wiring, and equipment locations. Senior technicians should know how to read HVAC drawings because installation must always follow the approved design. Material selection and procurement. Once the design is approved, the project moves into procurement. All required equipment and materials must be ordered before installation begins. This includes HVAC equipment, copper pipes, insulation, ducts, dampers, valves, pumps, electrical cables, control panels, refrigerant, brackets, and other accessories. Experienced project teams carefully plan procurement because some equipment, such as chillers or large air handling units, may have long manufacturing and delivery times. Delays in procurement can delay the entire project. Installation phase. Now comes the field installation. This is where senior technicians play one of the most important roles. The installation team follows approved drawings while installing equipment, ducts, refrigerant piping, chilled water piping, drain piping, insulation, electrical wiring, and control systems. Every installation should comply with local building codes, manufacturer instructions, and project specifications. Good workmanship during installation reduces future maintenance problems and improves overall system reliability. Quality control during installation. Professional HVAC companies perform quality inspections throughout the project. Senior technicians check whether equipment is level, ducts are properly sealed, refrigerant piping is correctly brazed, insulation is continuous, electrical connections are tight, and supports are installed safely. Correcting problems during installation is much easier and less expensive than fixing them after project completion. Quality control is one of the main responsibilities of senior technicians and project supervisors. Safety management. Safety should always remain the highest priority. Before starting work, technicians should wear appropriate personal protective equipment, isolate electrical power using lockout and tagout procedures where required, use proper ladders or scaffolding for work at height, and follow safe brazing and refrigerant handling practices. A successful HVAC project is not only completed on time, but also completed without injuries or safety violations. Strong safety practices are highly valued by employers, especially on commercial and industrial projects. Testing and commissioning. After installation is complete, the HVAC system must be tested before it is handed over. Technicians check refrigerant pressures, airflow, electrical current, voltage, thermostat operation, controls, drainage, fan rotation, vibration, and system performance. If the project includes a chilled water system or VRF system, additional commissioning procedures are performed according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Testing and commissioning verify that the system operates as designed and meets project requirements. Project handover. Once all testing is completed successfully, the project is handed over to the client. The client receives operating manuals, equipment documentation, warranty information, maintenance schedules, and system training if required. Many companies also prepare a punch list to ensure that all remaining minor items are completed before final project closeout. Skills every senior HVAC technician should develop. Technical knowledge alone is not enough to become a successful senior technician. You should also develop communication skills, leadership abilities, time management, problem solving, drawing interpretation, planning, material coordination, documentation, quality control, and safety awareness. Companies often promote technicians who can manage people, communicate professionally with clients, and solve problems efficiently, not just those who install equipment well. Conclusion: HVAC project management is much more than installing air conditioners. It begins with understanding the client's requirements, continues through design, planning, procurement, installation, quality control, testing, and finally ends with successful project handover. If you want to grow from an HVAC technician into a supervisor, project engineer, or project manager, start learning these project management principles today. They will help you deliver better projects, improve customer satisfaction, and open the door to higher-paying career opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.